When I ran the simulation on this part, I noticed there was a large slug of material that wasn't machined, which will break the cutter. I'll open the verifier simulator again and play the simulation so you can see the problem. This large section of uncut material is the slug which will cause the problem. If I switch back to Mastercam, I can fix this issue by selecting the parameters for the toolpath. Any of the cutting conditions may be changed in this manner. In this case, I need to fix the multipasses, so I'll select multipasses. Increasing the number of multipasses will solve the problem, but how many should I have, and how large should the step over spacing be? Ideally, you should use 70% of the cutter diameter. This has been shown to give the best combination of tool life and cutting quality, since 70% of 1 inch is 0.7 inches. I'll set the spacing to 0.7 for now. The next question is, how many passes do I need? To answer this, I'll use Mastercam's built-in calculator. First, I'll right-click in the spacing field, and I'll select radius of an arc. This will minimize the 2D toolpath contour window and let me select an arc from the geometry. Since I do not recall the size of the radius, I'll select the arc and its radius will now be my spacing. I'll click in the spacing field after 3.465 and type divide by 0.7 and press enter on the keyboard. I know that if a spacing of 0.7 inches will require 5 passes to not leave a slug. Lastly, I'll set the spacing back to 0.7 and the number of passes to 5. I can now accept these changes to exit the window. To see if this has fixed the problem, I'll regenerate the toolpath. I'll select Verify and press the play button. Now we can see that this has removed the problem of a slug being left over. So I'll close the simulator and save my work.